Hi, my name is Ark. This is gonna be my first video on BakuProject. If you don't know what that is, it is a video game being made by bakudev himself to create a anime accurate bakugan game. And today, I'm gonna show you how to be able to use controller instead of keyboard and mouse, just in case you want the flexibility of a controller when playing your bakugan game. First, as you can see, I basically have it running through Steam, and that's what you kind of need to do in order to be able to use control on it. The first things you're going to do is to add it to Steam by going over here to the tab, going over to Games, add a non-Steam game. You can just search up Baku, and it'll bring up BakuProject once you already have it installed. For me, it's not showing up because I already have it as a Steam game, so it's no longer a non-Steam game. And when you're done with that, it's quite very easy. You'll just kind of scroll over to it in Steam or click on it, and you'll see this little controller icon. This will allow you to do whatever you want. In this case, I have a gamepad set up through Steam, which is my PS4 controller. It's kind of the one I have. And you can basically just go to edit layout. And as you can see, it has all the different button inputs from whatever controller you're doing, D-pad, triggers, joysticks, trackpads, and even gyro controls. But you don't really need all that, but you just go over to whatever button you want to have a different map thing. And then see I have this X as a left mouse click. You can then, see gamepad, you can even just switch up the controls on the gamepad itself, or you can add a mouse button, keyboard, and some of these other things I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but like you can then have it set up and you just click like left mouse click or whatever and whatnot, and you just set it up to your liking. And for BakuProject specifically, I'd say the most useful keybinds that you're going to need, and the only ones you'll really need, is a left mouse click, a B key, a E key, a shift key, and an enter key for just quick login. You'll use the enter key just to log in quickly if you have your login saved. If not, you're just going to type it in normally. The shift key is more of a utility because it allows you to just do the overhead view of the Bakugan to see things and whatnot. It's fine. E key is your interact key. You kind of need that to interact with people and to interact with the AI. Then the B key is basically your cancel key or your key to get into your Baku pod thing, like basically your menu. And left mouse click is for you to do things. And then I also have D-pad set to the WASD keys, so you can move front, round, left, right, whatnot. And then I have the joysticks as a joystick mouse, so you can look all around. Oh yeah, I forgot. You're also gonna need an Alt key. If I didn't say Alt, which I have as my triggers. The Alt key basically allows you to go from just moving all around, like 360 look around, and between your cursor that you can then use to actually play the Bakugan game, which I also have set to controlled with the right joysticks. And that should be how you get the game rolling. You can just mess around with what keybinds you want to fit how you feel comfortable with it fitting. But with that was the end of my first video, and goodbye.